Harvest time tracking tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can use Harvest to track your time like a pro. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to getharvest.com and you will land on this website. Now here you can actually try your Harvest for free. You can start your free trial. It gives you 30-day free trial and no credit card required, and I will be showing you around the free version, so there is no plan involved. But if you want to buy any Harvest plan, then let me show you the pricing real quick so you have an idea before buying Harvest that how much it's gonna cost you. So you can see right here that there are two plans. The first plan is completely free, which allows you to have two projects, and it is $0 forever. And then there is a pro plan which has unlimited seats and unlimited projects, and it's just for $12 per month. So Harvest is not that expensive at all and offers a lot of cool features, so I think the pricing is quite reasonable. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and buy a plan, you can just go ahead and buy it after you finish your trial. And in Harvest you can actually do easy time tracking, you can actually integrate different apps, you can do invoicing and payments, and that's actually pretty good. So let's just jump into Harvest and let me show you how you can use Harvest like a pro. So this is the dashboard for Harvest. I have signed up, and after you sign up you will land on this page right here. You will see all of the different options right here. You see the option of time, expenses, project, team, reports, invoices, and manage. Now invoices is a very cool option that Harvest has and most of the time tracking software do not have. I will be showing you around in a minute. Before that, let's just see how you track time on Harvest. Super easy. You will see this very giant icon right here which is a plus sign, and you simply click on it which says new entry, and when we click on that we actually can add a new project and we can then start our timer for that. So what happens is I can just go ahead and select from a project that I already have. For example, there are two projects. For example, the first one is called example project and the other one is called YouTube videos. So I'm gonna select this one. After that, you can see that there are different tasks that you can actually select from. Now there are two types of tasks on Harvest. One are billable and the others are non-billable tasks. So it depends on you that when you are tracking time, you want to track time for a project which is billable or it's non-billable. So I'm going for a billable time tracking, and I'm going to select the programming because this is the task I'm doing. And then after that there are notes if you want to add. So I'm just gonna add little notes maybe to complete. So I have added this note. You can just add whatever you want to. After that, now I can actually just start my timer. What I have to do is just click on start timer and it will start tracking my time, and the time will shown here. But if I have already done my task, I can just simply, click right here, and this one will actually, show that I have already done my task. I would just simply add the time. For example, I have worked for maybe 2 hours, so I will just simply click on 2. So when I say 2 hours, I can just now save my entry, and this will say that okay, I have worked 2 hours. But if I want to track time, and then what I will do is I will just leave it blank, and you will see the option of start timer. So you click on start timer, and when you do that you will see the timer right here, and it has now started our clock, and you will see the clock moving. So it will show you actually in hours the total. You will see right here, and this is the task. You will see the task name right here. If you want to edit any information, you click on edit, and then again you can just update. If you want to update any information, you click on that. For now I'm just gonna cancel it. Now you can see it is tracking my time. I will just simply click on stop, and it will stop my timer, and that's it. So you can see that now my time has stopped. It's just like 1 minute for now. So that's basically how you do add entry for tracking time on Harvest. Super easy. And you can see these different days above. These are the different projects for Wednesday. If I go to Thursday, I will be able to add different tasks right here. This is a weekly view, so this is pretty good that you get an idea that how how many days or how many hours you have worked in a week. So this is pretty good. If I want to go to daily, if I want to check the weekly view, how many weeks I have worked in a month, I will simply click on week and it will take me to the weekly view. So yeah, you can see this is the weekly view. You can see, like, if I want to add that I have worked 2 hours on Monday and I have worked 2 hours on Tuesday, so you can just add your time right here and it will save it. And then at the end you will actually have the total of your whole week right here, and then you can just submit this for approval. The submit for approval means that you submit it for the manager or your boss basically, and you submit them, and then they can check if it's a billable hour. Of course, then they will pay you, and you can just simply submit it. After that, this was the time. After that, there is an option of expenses, and when we go to expenses, that means I can see my expenses that I have done. So this is pretty good option. If I click on new expense, I can just simply add new expense. For example, I will simply choose a product from here, and after that I can just go ahead and choose a category. Let's go with this, and then I can add the optional notes, something like that. Okay, and after that I can actually add a receipt if I want to, and save expenses. Once I do that, and you can actually add the amount right here. For example, this was for $100, and I will save the expenses, and now I will have an idea that this task, you will see the example project has the expenses of $100, and everyone in my team will have an idea, and these are billable hours. So of course the member of my team working on this also have an idea. After that, project option, of course, where I will be able to see all of my projects that I have done on Harvest. You simply click on new project and you can add any project that you want to, and you can see I have 2 projects. If I want to add another project, you simply click on a client name if you have another client. If you want to add a new client, you just simply add their name, then you add the project name. It could be anything. Project code, if you have a code, you will simply add, and then a start date, maybe today, and the end date maybe after a few days. Notes, you will simply add the notes. After that, you can just add different project type. For example, it's a time and material, it's a fixed fee, or it's a non-billable. So maybe let's just say that this task was non-billable, or maybe it depends on hourly rate. So I will simply click on hourly rate, and I will say that it's a total project fee, and budget reserves every month, and so it's gonna be 10, and then this one is gonna be 300. Okay, great. After that task, if I want to add different tasks, I will simply check them. If I do not want to add any other task into it, I will just uncheck it and simply click on save. Okay, so you're just gonna save the project, and my project has been saved. You will see all of this information of your project right here. Now the best thing about Harvest is that I have you will see all of these different time tracking software, and Harvest is actually is one of the best because you will see all of these different options. And when it comes to the expenses option or invoicing option, I think Harvest is amazing. After that, there is a team option where you see your team, of course, different team members, how they are doing. If you want to add a new person, you simply click on this button and you can add your new employees right here. Then there's invoices option. In your invoice option, you can actually create invoice within Harvest. You don't have to go to any other software. You don't have to avail any other platform to create invoices. You can simply click on new invoice and you choose client name, you choose the project, and then you can just simply create your invoices. After that, there is a manage option as well, where you can actually manage your projects. You can manage your different clients. When we're working, there are more than one clients and there are more than one contacts. So the CRM of Harvest is pretty good. When it comes to managing your project, Harvest is pretty good. And when it comes to invoicing and expenses, Harvest is actually all in one. amazing platform. So yeah guys, this is how you use Harvest. I gave you an overview, and I hope that now you will be able to track your time like a pro on Harvest. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.